Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enter self-employment income on Turbotax in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic at all. You know what, let's just get straight into it. Now, the first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Turbotax account. So go ahead and on the Turbotax website, log into your account using your email address and your password. Next, you're going to click on self-employment. So once you're logged in, click on self-employment button to start entering your self-employment income. Next, you're going to select your business type. So go ahead and select your business type, including, sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. And next, you're going to enter your business income. So go ahead and enter your business income, including, your gross receipt and sales. Go ahead and enter all of that. And next, you're going to enter your business expenses. So next, you're going to enter your business expenses, including, the cost of goods sold, operating expenses, and, capital expenditures. And next, you're going to calculate your self-employment tax. So go ahead and calculate your self-employment tax based on your net earnings from self-employment. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to enter self-employment income on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.